Hello guys. We are coming to just take a walk around in the neighborhood store in Pony, Texas. Beautiful store, Kroger. You will see now with us. You will see all of the stuff that they have, and enjoy the walk with us. Thank you very much for
If you like
watching.
to shop here, you can come back. Only, right? All we went, you can come back and shop here. How about Thursday morning? How about Thursday? Just fine, come back. I'm okay with it.
We need sabun only, right? You come for sabun? Right?
Yeah, yeah. Are you? Look like.
Here is sweet corn.
Like I cannot mix it.
Like sometimes.
Yeah, because that's the weird way. Now we've been shopping, the Walla Bola Bella, the Walla Bukati, book for the meat. And we are chabber. I can't have it. Not, uh-huh. I never knew Kroger carries some clothes. This is not Walmart, guys. This is not a clothing store, but it's a Kroger store. We always carry food items, drinks. But now they are selling clothes. Nice one. Pretty awesome clothes with a good price. 40% off. Look at that. And shoes over there. Cooking World. This one. There are single here for, you see this one? For $5.99, $1.99 with spoon. $1.99, all of them. $5.99 is a big one for a barbecue. See, this spoon are for barbecue. Those are for maybe scooper. This might be for salad.
Oh,
With
yeah.
this price, each of them costs $5.99. $5.99, $5.99, $1 a knife.
Look at this.
Those are
Yeah.
tablespoon here. Nice one. Hmm. That's for kids, huh?
Yeah.
Those look nice. I hope you will let me post this video now. Yeah,
And Papa,
it's okay.
I need to do it. Go to
No,
just
no,
so.
I go well, but other than that, the chicken will little cut off. The chicken go well with my other.
We need the sponge for the bigger one or this one? What is the good size?
This pick and spoon, you think is good for us.
What about this? Smatosity is good, right?
Yeah, that's good. Huh?
I think the math, right?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
So how much if we take?
Should have Ashara.
If I take 6 pieces,
Look, it's so good too.
how much?
Six is $12 or 11.98.
6 pieces?
Mm-hmm. $12.
How much?
$12.
For 6 pieces?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That's much a dollar. Yeah.
Nice, but they are good. Yeah, we need something bigger a little bit. Okay, sorry, you said you want to.
Hmm?
But
No,
then,
I don't care.
oh, okay, I thought okay. So now you have to show us. This is for shy. You say $12?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, $12.
Yes.
Okay. What about if you take arba pieces?
4 is 8.
Hmm?
$8.
4 is $8, right?
Mm-hmm.
For my coffee thing. Next time when we come, we're gonna take this one,
Yeah.
and then we can get rid the old one.
Yeah. The whole one are big.
Yeah. Huh. Look at this. Sure, but
Yeah. For a stew. The biggest cook that. You know.
only look because we're gonna put that one. I put them here.
We need to carton. Jauh buat carton.
Carton?
Just,
Carton, he doesn't have
it's
thick.
okay. It's okay.
Is that carton have thick?
No, no, no. Look.
Yeah,
I mean,
he
could be
doesn't
kang.
have it.
I mean, could be kangtang, but.
Oh, you mean carton?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, what is it? Oh, look, this one goes for tacos.
Cooking wall, yeah.
Yeah.
Tacos, bacon, pineapple cutter, seed remover. All these are frying pan all along.
These are how.
Yeah, this is the one that you buy, right?
Yeah. This is nice.
Yeah. Like a pineapple flatware fry. Beautiful.
Oh my God, look at this one. $12 get 30 off.
To buy, yeah.
Oh. What? I want to see how small. I thought it's big. Okay.
Yeah, aku bayar
I thought it's for shy.
aku bayar Marisa.
Oh, this is the big one.
Big chat, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, right here.
Kenapa kita watch next time?
Mhm.
It's
Kabar
nice
ka?
without fear.
Mm-hmm.
You see? Nice without fear.
Beautiful, yeah.
And I have this. But it's mine is different.
Yeah. This is for a sear, huh?
Yeah. You put on fear.
A plastic,
I mean,
not glass.
really?
Mm-hmm. You see?
No, it's different.
No. Plastic.
Glass. Glass.
But kapi pa eh, labo kwam immediately.
Yeah.
It can break easily.
But this is the one I have then.
Yeah, yeah, down there.
Yeah. Now if I have visitor at home, I have jet and I have everything. It's just one look of why I don't have it.
Yeah.
And look this one.
Yeah, plastic. Kakak meat. Woo! Cookware, frying pan.
The one in Chinese stuff.
Yeah. Tehun.
Look at it. Nice.
You can dine with it, yeah.
Nothing. Kan banyak.
Right, right. Giờ tiếng nghe lời nhìn cái là cái đang vui vẻ. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just woodwork.
Look at it.
Beautiful, yeah.
Nice. Oh, look at this one.
Mm-hmm. Thank
Yeah.
Can you imagine? I can make this, but I don't think of making it. Pretty easy.
Yeah, the Helton style. It is $1.99, $3, $1. Just Texas Star made out.
Look those papayas.
Mm-hmm. It look like a spring wire. Special corner for new arrivals. Come back this way.
Wala pula tugarin na.